Vaigai. The Vaigai is a river in the Tamil Nadu state of southern India. It passes through the towns of Theni, Dindigul, and Madurai. It originates in Varshanadu Hills, the Periyar Plateau of the Western Ghats Range, and flows northeast through the Kambam Valley, which lies between the Palani Hills to the north and the Varshanadu Hills to the south. The Vattapare Falls are located on this river. As it rounds the eastern corner of the Varshanadu Hills, the river turns southeast, running through the region of Pandyanadu. Madurai, the largest city in the Pandyanadu region and its ancient capital, lies on the Vaigai. The river empties into the Park Strait near Uchipuli, close to Pamban Bridge in Ramanathapuram district. The Vaigai is 258 kilometers long with a drainage basin 7031 square kilometers large. Sangam literature has paid many tributes to Vaigai, extolling it as the river that brings water when one touches it. Through the etymology, Vai means place your, Gai means hands, place one's hands. The following story is told about the birth of the river Vaigai, etc. Meenakshi, the daughter of a Pandyan king, was an incarnation of Parvati. From a very young age, she made up her mind to marry Lord Shiva and none else. Her family was initially against this but eventually consented to her wish and arranged the wedding. Sundareshwara, being an ascetic, came to the wedding without any family or relatives accompanying him. Disappointed at this, the Pandyan king angrily showed Shiva the huge amount of food prepared for the bridegroom's relatives. Shiva pointed to a friend he had brought with him, saying, "He will consume all the food that you have made." This friend was a Rakshasa named Gundotra. After Gundotra finished all the food that was prepared, he became very thirsty and started asking for water. All the wells and canals in Madurai were not sufficient to quench his thirst. Then Shiva asked Gundotra to put his hand out and opened a small part of his hairlock, and Ganga began to flow into his hand. After quenching his thirst, the rest of the waters began flowing in Madurai as the Vaigai river. Vaigai means put your hand out in Tamil. Srimad Bhagavatam, the Sanskrit sacred text dedicated to Lord Vishnu, mentions the Vaigai river as Kritimala, meaning the sacred garland of the act. It is said that Lord Vishnu gave the river a garland for precious act of providing water and eliminating the thirst of sage Agastya. However, presently the title mainly refers to the river's tributary Kritimalai. The main tributaries of the river Vaigai are the river Surliyaru, the river Mullayaru, the river Varaganadi, the river Manjalaru, the river Kotagudi, and river Kritumal. All these rivers, except Kritumal, join with the great Vaigai river nearer to the places around the Vaigai Dam, which is situated in Theni district, whereas Kritimal joins Vaigai in Madurai. Vaigai gets major feed from the Periyar Dam in Kumili, Kerala. Water from the Periyar river in Kerala is diverted into the Vaigai river in Tamil Nadu through a tunnel through the Western Ghats. In summers, the Vaigai river ends up dry very often. The water never reaches Madurai, let alone flowing into places past Madurai. The Vaigai Dam is built across the river in Periyakulam Taluk in the Theni district of Tamil Nadu. It provides water for irrigation for the Madurai district and the Dindigul district, as well as drinking water to Madurai and Andipatti. Near the dam, the government of Tamil Nadu has constructed an agricultural research station for researching the growth of a variety of crops including rice, sorghum, black gram, cowpea and cotton. The Periyar Dam was built in 1895 by John Pennyquick, who implemented a plan proposed over a century earlier by Pradhani Muthirulapa Pillai of Ramnad. The dam was built by the British Army Engineering Corps for the Travancore Kingdom. The first dam was washed away by flood and a second machinery dam was constructed in 1895. Greater than the mother bearing child, greater than the child that is born, every breath is Periyar, every word is Periyar, in every place in all the world. As far as Periyar water flows, your name will stand, Peniquick, your name, though written on water, will always stand. That is how Anthony Muthupillai had paid tributes in Tamil to John Peniquick, the engineer who had taken up the audacious and unprecedented feat of engineering for transferring some water from the Periyar River in Travancore state to the Vaigai Basin in Madras Presidency.